So, quick moment of openness. A couple years back, probably like almost exactly 2 years ago, in December, I injured my lower back deadlifting, of all things, my favorite movement. And I've recovered and everything, but ever since that happened, my deadlift has never been the same. I've never pulled, well, I have to admit I never attempted, but I never pulled anything over 550 again. And my max before injuring myself was 595. The most I've pulled since then was 515 last summer. And the weights always feel different. When we were at the Ebony Fit Freaks weekend a couple weeks ago, warming up 405 felt like a feather. Today, 405 felt like a PR. I'm gonna show you.
Yeah. It's literally as soon as you walk out the gym. So if you walk out the gym and you see your phone, easy motherfucking work.
So it's been a pretty big setback. You could probably imagine how annoying that is, especially with your favorite movement to train, right? But the biggest thing is realizing that it's a long-term game, right? And essentially, if you stay healthy enough, you got the rest of your life to, go after your goals, essentially, right? That's why we don't view it as something short-term. We view it as a life journey. My ultimate goal was to eventually build up to pull 700 pounds. That took a big hit, right? A huge hit, especially when I was right 5 pounds away from 600. And this was 2 years ago. Imagine where I could be right now. I know at least I could have been at, 630, 640 by now at minimum. But, I'm being patient and staying focused and not quitting and continuing to refine and just train and rehab and such.
If you enjoyed this clip, tap that subscribe button for more videos just like this.